Hello, this is Wes with Baron Heating and BaronGreenTeam.com. Welcome to another ductless system walkthrough. If you haven't been here before, we are doing a simple design walkthrough. I do walkthroughs based on just so you can see what things look like, where they go, how they run, why we put things certain places. This unit I'm trying to get the unit to go, but I just don't need cooling right now, and all the rooms are as low as they should go. But here is, if you want to listen to an outdoor unit, you can head to one of my other videos. I've got tons. They don't make a lot of noise. But here's a 4MXS Daikin. In this case, we chose this brand because of its warranty and the flexibility of the heads and what we needed as far as capacity and price and everything. But this is your basic installation there. And then coming in here, so we had 4 heads, 2 upstairs, 2 downstairs. We basically have 4 bedrooms-ish areas that needed cooling in the main house. Then we have a rec room with a single head 18K. So coming up here, here's our line set highway that coming in the garage. There's where we head to the crawl space with 2 of the heads. And then where we headed up here with 2 others to the attic pony space upstairs, you'll see those. We decided to use KE series, not the L series heads, but KE series heads, because they were a better value. In this case, we didn't need that ton of control, etc. Just wanted to be able to turn the units up and down and get some cooling and heating. So here is the KE 18K there. This is what's called Speedy Channel line set cover. Other brands, there's lots of brands of line set cover. We're actually looking into another brand of line set cover that has some more varied fittings and things, but people call it Speedy Channel or line set cover, whatever. Okay, you'll notice it's kind of real similar to downspout size. So if you're at your house and you want to know what size that is, what that would look like, they're pretty close. Okay, mounting block, pad, all that's brought out by us and installed. Oh, that unit just kicked on here. So, we didn't even notice it, did we? Alright, so I'll verify it's going here for you. Okay. So that is pushing air right now. And is real quiet. Okay. So I'll take you to the 18 inside here first, and I'll show you the rest of the house. So this is the rec room. And you'll notice that this head is looking at all of this, but it's also looking into this main part of the main floor of the kitchen dining area. One of the things we wanted to do was be able to treat that space as well if we needed to. We don't have a small head down there. We just have it in the back bedrooms and the upstairs. So just in case we needed something here, we wanted to make sure that lined up nice. So I'll show you that here as I turn around. Perfect. So coming into the back bedrooms, so on that 4MXS we have 2 12s upstairs in a really high load area, and then 2 9s down here. And so there's one of our 9s, and you can get an idea of that fan sounds like when it's on high. Okay. Then coming in here we have another. And then we did run our lines up in the closet here, so put a little Speedy Channel cover on that. The one that we had outside, we did the same cover on that. Okay. And then running upstairs. So one thing to remember is that in cooling, the units do run the fan all the time. So they don't run it on high, but they do run the fan all the time. So when it's done cooling, it continues to run the fan. The reason it does that is because there's a certain amount of load sharing when a small head calls and the compressor's down at its minimum. It still needs to get rid of that cooling, and so it'll send a little bit to all the other heads, and so we don't get the coil to freeze up. We want to make sure that the fan's still expressing that off there, so we don't get any freezing of coils on any other units, etc. And so there's that one. This is a 12. 12 and 9s are the same size. This is about as low as you want to go on a wall for a knee wall. We have had people say, well, why can't you put it down here? Problem is that the cooling drops. These units shoot out the bottom, so it just turns itself off, you know, right away when that happens. So we have that one there. And then we have a matching over here. And then all these lines, of course, with those ones you saw running to the attic, there's a knee wall back here. And but that's it. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, shoot me an email. I usually do answer within a couple of business days. And if you have any questions about design or what's possible with ductless, the thing you got to remember is that these heads and things are a small portion of what's possible. There are all sorts of other attachments. I suggest you can even go to, we carry Daikin, Mitsubishi, Fujitsu, and Lennox, which is a GRE product. So take a look at all those different designs, things that are possible in any home, really. And there's new stuff coming out all the time, of course. Can't help that. And thanks for watching.